Try again. Hello YouTube. Looks like we had a little bit of a fail. The repair that I did to put these two here together, that seemed to have worked okay. That went right in there, perfect. 19mm tube or 3/4, depending on where you are. But it snapped off here on the rest of the breather pipe, and I've got this funny feeling that the breather pipe is not going to be doing much good to us because it's brittle. It's gone. This one down here is just as bad. So I'll be putting this attachment, which comes off here, onto this hose here and feed it down there. Job should be done, and then I'll probably end up having to do the rest of the CCV piping to compensate for all the rest of the pressure that I've just done. Now I'm going to time lapse this while we do all the work, so you don't have to sit through another 43-minute episode of me doing nothing. Here we go.